Hello and welcome back to the video. My name is Andrew Kuhn with Focus Compounding. I want to thank you so much for tuning in with me here today. And in today's video, we are going to be going over how to screen for undervalued companies. And make sure you wait to the end because I'll give you 3 websites that we use to screen for stocks. Alright, if this is the first time that you're tuning in with me here today, make sure you hit that subscribe button and thumbs this video up. I'm going to be pumping out 3 videos a week on everything investing related. I'm having a lot of fun doing it, so I'm definitely going to stay consistent with it. Also, check out my Twitter and hit that follow button on @FocusCompound and listen to our podcast, which is Focus Compounding on the Podbean or the podcast app on your iOS device. I have over 113 different episodes on everything investing related, and it's a lot of fun and a lot of good content. So screening for stocks. Obviously, gone are the days where you have to flip and turn over the value line manual to find interesting stock ideas. With technology, you could screen for stocks just at the tip of your fingers on your computer. And Geoff and I, we always run pretty much the basic same stock screen every time that we look for a company. Obviously, we focus on overlooked stocks, which happen to be a little bit more off the beaten path. So if that's something that you're interested in, you're definitely going to want to write all this information down. But the first thing that we screen for is EV to EBITDA. And whether it is less than 10 times, that is something that's kind of reasonable, maybe worth taking a little bit more of a look at. Anything that's less than 8 times EV to EBITDA, that might be a value stock. And anything that is less than 5 times EV to EBITDA, that is certainly a value stock. So that's just the first screen that we run, and we run obviously all of these together, and whatever stocks pop up in our universe, we'll sift through them and then kind of go from there. But the next one that we run in the screen is number of consecutive positive years of earnings per share. We want to make sure that we're in a very stable business, one that isn't going to have its earnings be positive one year and negative the next year. So we definitely like to see 10 years of positive earnings and EPS, so 10 years. So make sure you run that in the screen. The next one is good if you are researching or looking for a capital light business. You could search for EV to sales versus the same stocks EV to sales that's had in the past. Like I said, if you're looking for capital light businesses, brand type of businesses, that's a good measure to use, maybe instead of EV to EBITDA, but we definitely always run that. And then we like to see low share turnover and look for anything that's less than 50%, which definitely would qualify it as being an overlooked stock. To put that in comparison, companies like Apple, companies like Facebook, their shares turn over more than 100% per year. So anything that turns over less than 50% a year is definitely something to take a look at, and it could be a potentially overlooked stock. And then another scan that we run in the screen is low beta. Anything less than 0.5 is certainly interesting to us, and then anything less than 0.1 or to negative is definitely worth learning about right away. It doesn't really correlate to the market, and it's probably an overlooked stock. So when you combine all of these together, you'll get a database of a few different stocks, whether that's in the United States or other countries, and then we like to sift through them from there and actually learn about the businesses, disqualify the companies that we know we don't want to be in right off the bat, maybe because of the industry, and then start to look at the companies that could be potentially interesting. So the 3 websites that we use, and I'm going to put them right here. First one, Portfolio 123. Second one, Guru Focus, and the third one, Morningstar. So definitely take a look at all those. We use Portfolio 123 probably the most, and that's where we usually scan for the stock. So I want to thank you so much for tuning in with me here today. If you want to use these, I'm going to put them in the description so you can screen for stocks yourself with them. Definitely hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. That will notify you when I upload a new video, and I will see you in the next video.